Hey everyone, this is Rohan from Paly Python, and we're going to be looking at print today. What is print? Print is a function which allows you to output something to the terminal. So let's start off by writing print and then open parentheses, close parentheses. This is how functions look in Python. You have the name of the function, and then you have the parentheses, and inside of the parentheses you put parameters, which are inputs to the function. So for a function given those inputs, it will return an output. So let's start off by printing hello world. Okay, so note that I'm using quotations around it. So this is a string. You don't have to understand what a string is right now, but if we want to represent text in Python, then we'll surround it by quotes to denote that it's a string. So if we print hello world, that's great. So that's what that looks like. That's how we can output something to our terminal. Note print accepts multiple objects, so you can separate them by commas. So, and yeah, note how the comma adds a space between these objects. So that's what we can do with print. So let's look at some of the keywords print has. So print keyword arguments are, if you notice for these arguments, you just put them. Keyword arguments have a keyword and then you say equals and then the value of that keyword. So sep is the separation. So by default, that separation is a space. So if we look hello world, it's the same. If we don't want any separation, we can put no space, and look at that. We can put a dash, maybe, yeah, hello dash world space. You can mess around with that, so that's what you can do. Okay, then what you can also do is you can do end. So let's do something. Okay, so we have hello world here, and then let's print something. Okay, so let's notice how after each print statement, the next statement goes on its own line, so it creates a new line after that print statement. So by the new line character is represented by \n, and what this means is we're just going to go down to the next line. So by default, if you think about it, the end of a print statement, end, is equal to this new line character. So this is just a character that represents new line. So that's the same. If we don't want an automatic new line, we can set the end to nothing, denoted by an empty string. And then look, this next print statement will remain on the same line as the first print statement. So that's how we can use sep and end. And that's all for this tutorial. If you like this, go check out our other videos. The code is in the description, and see you next time.